Good morning to all the dignitaries. Today I am here to explain our project of extension of Iris Scan for office security. These are the equipments which are using for the implementation of this project. IR transmitter, IR receiver, MSP 430 launched by fully 4-bit DTMS encoder, fully 4-bit DTMS decoder, a buzzer, and the camera is connected to a computer through Wi-Fi. So, and the IR signals are transmitted wirelessly between IR transmitter and IR receiver. And as soon as there is a breakage of signals, IR receiver will come to know, and which will send a signal to the MSP 430 launchpad, and which is in turn connected to the fully 4-bit DTMS encoder, which will encode the signals. And fully DTMS decoder and buzzer are placed at the security system, and fully DTMS decoder will decode the signals and make the buzzer to ring. As soon as the buzzer rings, the security person will come to know that someone has passed the circuit. So if he is the authorized person, he won't see the laptop, and if he is unauthorized person, he will open the laptop and see how many persons are there, and he will go according to the plan to catch them. And this is mainly used in the defense system because so this is helpful for them to go have a plan and catch the people instead of going without a plan. And thank you. And thanks for the Texas Instruments which for giving such a wonderful opportunity to us. Thank you.
Hello, this is Sheikh Murad Ahmed here.
And this is Manangauda S. Patil from Nite Meenakshi Institute of Technology. Our mentor is Shashidhara KS.
We have been representing Team 61.2 under Texas Instruments Innovation Challenge 2014, and we are heading the topic called Iris Scan for Office Security, which includes an extension to the Iris security, as it has few drawbacks like photographs being scanned and Iris security can be overpowered. So we have the next level of security called Iris Scan for Office Security extension. The further explanation will be given by our team member Pranav Gopal Reddy.
Thank you.
Good evening, dignitaries. This is Pranav Gopal Reddy, student coordinator of the paper titled Extension of Iris Scan for Office Security. Now I am here to demonstrate my project. So here are all the equipments which we are using. Here is the IR transmitter and the battery. I kept it there. IR receiver. This LED will indicate the IR transmission was IR signals were broken, and we are connecting this positive of the LED to the input of the MSP 430 launchpad, that is P1.4, which we have given in the program, and from there it is in turn connected to the MF encoder, which will encode the signals, and the decoder and the buzzer is placed at the security system that I am going to show you. This is the DTMS decoder, and which is in turn connected to the buzzer, and here is the receiver that will receive the signals. So this is in turn connected to the DC supply. So, and here we are placing the camera, and this will be connected through Wi-Fi in the security room, and so that we can see how many persons and where are they at the main room. So in short, I have given the I have turned the IR receiver direction to this road, so that indicates that IR circuit is broken. So as soon as IR receiver is broken, then there will be an alarm. Now you can see that.
Yes.
Buzzer was given for only 15 seconds in the program, so it will only on for 15 seconds. Now, as soon as the person has broken the circuit, now we can see in this camera, which is called in this camera, it is accessible through Wi-Fi. Now we can. So here it is. We can move the in whichever the direction we want, and we can capture that. Either right or left or whichever the direction. So here we can see the persons who are there, and so This is mainly used in the defense so that they can get to know that some person is going. If it is authorized person, he must inform the security person. If it is not authorized person, then he will come to that he is not the authorized person. So immediately he will turn on the computer and he will see how many persons are there, on how many, in which direction, and then they can go according to the plan. So this is all our project.